Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you've just seen, I was stupid enough to take the seats out of the car and switch the ignition on, which resulted in me getting an airbag fault. Now that I've put everything back together, plugged all the connections back in, the code's registered, and what this video is about today is I'm going to show you how to clear the code if you happen to be as stupid as I am and take the seats out and turn the ignition on, or forget to take the battery out, or something along those lines. So this is how you very quickly do it. What you're going to need is one of these, an OBD2 digital code reader, and a phone. What you need to do, I get this code reader from Euro Car Parts. It's pretty cheap. I think it was like £15 or £16. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our code reader. That's it there, just an OBD2 connection. Such a handy little tool. We're going to plug it in, which lighting's pretty terrible, but it is down under the dash towards the driver's side door. I don't even have a torch with me, so I'm just going to kind of feel it out, get it in place, and then show you that. So, make sure you're plugged all the way in. Switch on, and again we're still getting our airbag fault. Then what you want to do is download an app. This app here, it's called Car Scanner. You want to open up the app, and before you open up the app, go to your Wi-Fi settings, and you want to connect to Wi-Fi OBD2. So your OBD scanner has its own Wi-Fi network. Then you want to hit the connect button, and okay. So now we're connected. Come on, focus. Connected. So we want to go to diagnostic trouble codes. Hit that. It's going to come up with a list, and you can essentially switch all these off if you just want to go to the airbag. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit the read button. It's going to read all the codes. Okay, so we're doing the scan just now, and as you can see here, it's come on, focus. So this one here is the fault code for the airbag, and what it's saying is driver's side airbag fault code, and there's a little bin button here. The red button is a bin. You're going to press that little button. It's going to give you a warning about clearing a code. You're going to hit OK, and it's going to clear the code for you. And as you can see, come on, focus. And as you can see, we've got DTC code clearing completed. Going to hit OK to that, and then I can just come back out and disconnect from the OBD2 sensor connection. I can remove that out, and as you can see now, the airbag light, without me doing anything, has indeed gone off. So I'll just switch the ignition off, and I'll turn it back on, and now we shouldn't see any airbag fault. It should just tell me that I need a service. And the airbag lights went out. Happy days. And that is how you clear the airbag light if you make a mess of taking the seats out of your car. So I hope this has been a helpful video for you. Please do think about subscribing and hit a thumbs up. It'd be great, thank you. And I'll see you on the next one.